Looking for the best non-stick pan in 2025? We tested the top contenders for cooking performance, durability, and overall value. Whether you're flipping eggs or searing steaks, these pans bring the heat. Stick around, we're breaking down which one actually deserves a spot in your kitchen. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, tap a thumbs up or down, and let us know in the comments. Which pan is the best fit for you? Alright, let's get into it. Number 1. Tramontina Pro Series 10-inch. This one's a standout performer. Built to last, it features 3 layers of industrial strength Whitford Eclipse non-stick coating, and it's NSF certified, so it's even Pro Kitchen approved. The non-stick performance? Near flawless. Eggs, pancakes, fish steaks, they just glide right off. You often don't even need a spatula. The metal handle includes a removable silicone sleeve for heat protection, and cleanup is a breeze thanks to the slick surface. Barely any food buildup. Now, a couple of downsides. The handle is long and heavy, which can make the pan tip when it's empty, especially on smaller burners. And food can get caught around the rivets, so you'll want to give those a little extra attention when cleaning. But honestly, these are small trade-offs. For the price, it's a fantastic pan that delivers pro-level results. Number 2. Ozeri Stone Earth 8-inch. Compact and effective. The Ozeri 8-inch Stone Earth pan impressed us with its performance. It's perfect for frying eggs, making omelets, or cooking up smaller portions of fish and pancakes. During testing, nothing stuck. We flipped food with ease, no spatula needed. That said, the small diameter and steep sides can make it a little awkward if you're trying to get under food with a spatula, especially for full-surface items like a big pancake. Also, the 3 rivets that hold the handle can trap bits of food that otherwise would slide right out. Still, for smaller cooking tasks, this pan performs exceptionally well. And cleanup? Super easy. Number 3. Carote 9.5-inch Deep Fry Pan with glass lid. This one's all about versatility. With its deeper sides and included lid, it works as both a frying pan and a mini wok. You can toss veggies, sear meat, steam dumplings, even simmer sauces. The sloped sides are great for pan tossing, and the rivet-free interior makes cleaning easier with no food buildup around joints. But here's the trade-off. It's a jack-of-all-trades, master of none. The deep sides aren't ideal for flipping eggs or pancakes, and the size can feel a little cramped for larger meals. Plus, the composite handle limits oven use to just 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and the stone coating underperforms compared to more traditional non-stick options. Still, it's a flexible pan that adds some extra functionality to your everyday cookware lineup. Number 4. Scanpan HaptIQ 8-inch. Now we're talking premium. The Scanpan HaptIQ is built like a tank, with 5 layers of recycled aluminum and stainless steel for excellent heat distribution and lasting durability. The Stratanium Plus non-stick coating is top tier. Food releases effortlessly. Pancakes, eggs, fish, all slide right off without a fuss. It's also oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and free from harmful chemicals. So it's not just high-performing, it's safe and versatile too. But quality like this comes at a cost. It's significantly more expensive than the other pans on our list. Also, we were surprised to see the rivet heads inside the pan. They create tiny spots where food can stick. Not a deal breaker, but feels like a design oversight at this price point. Still, this is an outstanding investment if you're serious about your cooking and ready to pay for lasting quality. This one delivers. Number 5. The Creuset Signature Skillet 10¼ inch. This one's not your typical non-stick pan, but it still earns a spot here. It's made from cast iron with a tough enamel coating, so it can handle high heat and hold onto it. Great for searing, frying, or baking. The heat retention is excellent. Once it's hot, it stays hot, even when you add cooler ingredients. But let's be clear, the enamel surface doesn't release food as easily as true non-stick. You'll need butter or oil to avoid sticking. especially with pancakes, eggs, or fish. And at over 5 pounds, this pan is heavy. Tossing food? Not easy. That said, it's built to last a lifetime. It's fully oven safe, extremely durable, and many people consider it an heirloom piece. If you want a versatile, long-term pan, this could be your forever skillet. So, which one's the best? After testing them all, the Scanpan HaptIQ stands out. It combines pro-level non-stick performance with a sleek, durable design, and it's oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're ready to level up your cooking game, this is the pan to get. Let us know which one you would choose in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!